How to create an HTML boilerplate. Boilerplate is the basic structure or just the basic skeleton for building an HTML document or website.
So you just open VS Code. Oops, yeah, here's something else. So I open a new window. This one is a clean one. Then I make a new file. It will be a text file. Then you will need to first save it for this to work. I'll save it in the desktop, and the name I'll give it, mostly it's index.html. That's the name. You can name it home.html or anything of your choice, but this is the best. So save. Now you can see my file is saved as index.html, and ensure that down here the selected language mode is HTML. In my case, it's showing as a Django template because I'm using Django most of the time. So I'll change this to HTML. Just search it here, HTML. So now the selected language mode here is HTML, and I have saved my file as index.html. So to make the boilerplate, you just click on. You'll need to click on the exclamation mark sign. This one. It's shift, then the button, the one button. So once you write the exclamation mark, you just click on tab, and that should give you the HTML boilerplate. So this is like the basic structure or the skeleton of an HTML document, and you can see when you create it manually, you mostly likely miss this part, which is very important. This top part here, it will give you the character set to be used. Mostly it's the UTF-8. The language also is English. In case we need more languages, we can add here. EN is English. Then the viewport, this part is very important. It makes your website more responsive according to the width of the device that you're using. So that's it. In case maybe I edit this, like I write hello, and on top here the title I change it to boilerplate HTML, yeah, and then we save and we go to our desktop, then try to open and see what we get. We just go to the desktop. Here is it. So the file we have created is on desktop. It's called index.html, this one. So I open it. You can see it's opening in Chrome and then giving me these words that I wrote, the hello. So that's it.